Today we'll be discussing about Spintax for workflows. On the platform down below in the navigation bar, you can find for App Marketplace here and search for Spintax. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account. You can choose multiple sub accounts. You can choose them all as well. If you choose them all, it will allow you to enable you to just automatically future install. For the time being, we will be just choosing location one. Continue with that, allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed. Now moving back towards the agency level. It is loading at the moment. It takes a while, so that's why we will be discussing the next step, that is choosing the subaccount on which we have installed Spintax for workflows. Choose location one from here and continue with that. We are on our location one. Now we have to just find for automations in the navigation bar and create a workflow. Just check on that the actions are working correctly or not. Click on it. Find for Spintax. Here it is. You can spin your text with the action. Let's just choose any text to set an example. Now we will be testing our workflows. Run this test and head towards the execution logs. As you can see, the action is executed now successfully. It is that simple and easier. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.